Welcome everyone. This is BTC Weekly. Let me show you what I'm seeing in the chat. But before that, please follow me on X, Facebook, and TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. So last week, after we saw this bearish engulfing pattern, I said we need to wait for confirmation to see whether the market is going to dip further. And sure enough, last week we see that price dipped all the way to the S2 before rejecting back to the pivot point, closing the session as a doji star. Now what I'm looking at is this three candlestick pattern. So the red candlestick, doji star, and this green candlestick resembles the morning star pattern, which is bullish. So I'm going to drop down to the daily time frame, and here on the daily time frame, what we notice first of all, it's unlike last week where the pivot point market structure was bearish. There was a pivot point somewhere up there in 64k, and the next one was 62k. This week we see that the gap between the two pivot points has been closed. This shows that the market is going to consolidate, or the market is shifting from one structure to another, typically what is called a change of character. After turning on my drawings, you can see that that bullish candlestick pattern we saw on the weekly time frame is already playing out here, because price already made this big move, smashing the point of control of the short-term range, this blue line, and the value area low of the long-term range, this yellow line, breaking past through the value area high of the short-term range and the arrow one for this week. All of these are bullish indication. So what can we expect? I'm going to drop down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame now, we see that this is the point of control of the short-term range. What I would typically expect is, since price went out of the range, it's going to come back into the range and probably find support here at this point of control of the short-term range, together with this green historical line. And once that support is confirmed, then price will return to break this arrow one and this value area high, and probably continue to reach the arrow 2 for the week. So that is everything that I want to show you here. Follow me on X and Facebook to get updates and engage me in discussions as things continue to play out. If you like this video, share it with a friend.